Hey everyone, welcome to the channel, and today we are going to be taking a quick look at Carmy's cookbook collection from the hit show The Bear. We're also going to be taking a look at my cookbook collection, and also I have a quick little announcement as well, so stick around till the very end. Also want to apologize because I have no idea what's going on with my rendering, but you'll see what happens as the video continues. As you're taking a look at my cookbook collection, I just want to say that I have a lot of books that are great reading for any serious chef, home cook, someone who just wants to improve their cooking skills, or maybe someone who wants a cooking project over the weekend. And cookbooks are the way to go. I'm not saying every cookbook is amazing, but for me, I tend to get little nuggets of information or knowledge from even the worst books that I might have. I'm going to stop talking now and allow you to enjoy me going through my cookbooks. Thanks for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed seeing Carmy's cookbook collection, and I also hope that you enjoyed looking over my collection as well. The announcement that I have is that I am going to be starting a new series in which I review cookbooks, cook recipes from the book, and the first book that I'm going to be reviewing and cooking from is going to be the first actual fine dining, not necessarily the first, but an actual job that wasn't an internship and I guess apprenticeship, if you will. But that cookbook is Beginnings by Chris Cosentino. So this book has a ton of meaning, and you'll find out why when I review it, because I'm going to go into a lot more detail and my background and just the overall fun that I had working with Chris, the team, and at the restaurant. So please like, subscribe, and also after this little segment here, you will see the summer section of recipes from beginnings. And I want you all to be involved in recipes that I review. So please leave a comment on one of the recipes that you see. And I will be giving this roughly 2 weeks. And then whichever recipe gets the most votes is going to be one of maybe 3 or 4 recipes that I cook from this book and then review. So thanks again.